Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing a piece from the 2019 Christmas animation collection. This is going to be a round coin purse. So let's take a look. Okay, so I picked this up from the store a few days ago, but I haven't had a chance to make a video, so here we go. Okay, so it comes in a small box. I think it could have came in a smaller box, but they probably ran out of small boxes, which is absolutely fine. So here's the dust bag, your standard Louis Vuitton dust bag. And that is my Virgil A4 pouch in the background. I was using it early in the day, but here we go. So this is the Vivienne in Venice, the round coin purse. So I really like this because it looks so I don't know, like it's really like eye-catching. Like I've been to Venice before, which is one of the reasons why I got the Venice one, because they have it in like they have one for Paris, I think it's called Courchevel, I believe Shanghai as well, but this one really spoke to me. It has the blue water, Vivienne's on a gondola. You look closely, there's the Louis Vuitton trunk, and then the Louis Vuitton monogram flowers, and here's the back. The back is just your plain monogram canvas. It has gold hardware on it. There's a gold zipper. But let's do a close-up so you guys can really look at this. So look at the detail of it. There's the Louis Vuitton signature right there. You got pink, white, and there's beige on there. Vivienne's holding a little stick. There's pink. It shows like a blue eye. Yeah, so this is a really cool piece. I had the regular monogram round coin purse, the plain one, but I thought I had to get this piece because probably the most, I mean, this was a woman's line, but I thought this piece was probably the most manly, I guess you could say. So I'm trying to do this one hand. Let's take a look on the inside. Wow. So here's the sticker for the product number, but the interior is actually blue, which is really nice. It's probably not gonna focus because just probably won't, but oh, here we go. So you see the interior, it's a full blue interior. That's really cool. It's really nice. It's a nice blue too. It's not like a really dark blue, but it's not a really light blue, so it's like this blue right here of the water. So yeah, it's really cool. For use-wise, I would say I usually would keep headphones in this. It's a really good travel accessory when you're keeping headphones. This could obviously hold coins in here, maybe a few bills folded up. So yeah, it just holds like little things, whatever you want to put in here, like chapstick, maybe like a pill or two for your medications if you take them. But yeah, but besides that, I had to get one of these. I also probably be doing a video. I recently picked up the little notebooks, the mini jewels in this holiday animation line. So yeah. Oh, excuse me, sorry guys. So yeah, this is a close-up look for those people that are contemplating about it, want to take a better look at it before they purchase it. You better get your hands on it now because they're very limited and hard to get. But this is probably one of my most favorite pieces from that whole collection. Okay, subscribe guys. I'll see you guys. Bye.